Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos out. It would help me greatly. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Leave your comments. I'd love to hear from you. A little update on my wife. She was supposed to come home today, but I don't believe it's happening. I talked to her last night. She sounded awful. But I talked to her just a few minutes ago. She does sound better, but still not good. Now she says something's wrong with her kidneys. She don't know what it is. I hadn't talked to the doctor yet. I'm hoping it's just an infection and they can take care of that easily. Y'all please continue to pray for her. Thank you for your prayers and thank God for watching over her. Okay, on with the stimulus. The eviction protection ends today. Now it's legal for banks and landlords to evict over 12 million families. To just throw them out on the street, and it's all because of dragging feet. Congress should be ashamed of themselves. The payroll tax boost ends in 2 days. The $600 boost will be gone in just 2 days. And once they get this bill passed, the people will only be getting $100 to $200 boost. Still up in the air for the amount. This is a slap in the face for people that's worked hard all their life and now they've lost their job. It's a slap in the face. $100 is garbage. President Trump is blaming the Democrats for not getting his payroll tax cut, when in fact the Democrats nor the Republicans wanted this. It was the Republicans that decided to take it out of the bill. Neither side wanted to hurt Social Security, SSI, and SSDI with this crazy tax cut. That would only help the rich, big business owners. So I guess the FBI, a new FBI building next to Trump Towers, is more important than having a home to live in for families, and more important than the workers who's lost their job through no fault of their own. But I don't see that FBI building getting built either. Just my thoughts. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up, your thumbs down. I'm sorry today's news is not that good, but we did have 2 days of good news. So I guess every day can't be good. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Please share. And leave me your comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until tomorrow, I love you all. Ciao.